Installing a front drive backplane. The server shown in this video is for demonstration purposes only, and the configuration in your server might be different. Note: you might need to update the firmware or drivers after replacing a component. Align the bottom of the backplane with the slots in the chassis, and then lower the backplane into the chassis. Slide the backplane across until it is secured in place. Align the holes in the backplane with the pins on the chassis, and then press the backplane into position. The release tabs will secure the backplane in place. Connect the cables to the drive backplane. If necessary, reinstall the system fan cage. Install the top cover. Reinstall the drives and any fillers into the drive bays.